Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the Sharepoint site URL and required library or list. This saves time resolving broken links later. Once done, open Power BI Desktop and sign in with the same account that has Red or higher on Sharepoint. Choose the appropriate connector, Sharepoint folder for files, Sharepoint online list for lists, or a custom REST API for advanced needs. Because each method preserves metadata differently and affects refresh behavior and query performance. Now connect. In Power BI Use Get Data, select Sharepoint folder or Sharepoint online list and paste the site URL. Authenticate with your organizational account. After loading, open Power Query to filter by folder path or list view, expand record or binary columns, and remove irrelevant rows. This controls performance. Combine binaries when pulling from a folder, set accurate data types, and establish relationships between tables so visuals aggregate correctly. These transformations ensure finish by publishing your report to Power BI service into the correct workspace and then configure dataset credentials under Settings. For SharePoint Online use OAuth, and for on-prem SharePoint configure an on-premises data gateway. Once set, schedule refreshes at appropriate intervals to keep visuals current. If something goes wrong, first verify account permissions and that the site path hasn't changed. Then inspect gateway status and refresh history for error details. Fixing authentication or path mismatches resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.